Experts say RSV cases are picking up earlier than usual all around the country.
And here in Lincoln, bryan-health has been overwhelmed lately with patients, and they worry it'll only get worse in the coming months. Channel 8's Mackenzie Johnson has more on what you should be doing to keep your kids and yourself healthy.
In the past month, bryan-health has hit an all-time record of 588 patients receiving care on 2 separate occasions. Some of those are RSV, and they're not the only hospital who's seeing a major increase of children with the virus. While there's no way to be totally sure, doctors think there could be an explanation behind the numbers.
There's been different exposures in the past couple of years where people have not been exposed several times already because of COVID mitigation measures, probably. So it seems to be coming back gangbusters until it goes back to its normal cycle.
RSV is more severe in children because adults are often exposed several times and build up immunity over the years. This fall, CHI St. Elizabeth's and Bryan-Medical-Center have seen both increased cases and children with more severe symptoms. RSV isn't the only concern going into the winter months. Doctors are worried about what they're calling the trifecta of viruses: RSV, influenza, and COVID-19.
It's not uncommon, actually, when we do have kids who are seen in the emergency room and do get a viral panel, that they have multiple viruses, 2 or more at the same time.
Unlike COVID-19 and the flu, RSV does not have any vaccine available, so patients have to let their body fight it off. Doctors from CHI and Bryan say the severity of RSV cases in children is worrisome because the peak is normally not until December or January. Bryan has had an overflow of patients during the last month, and they say the next couple months are likely to get even worse.
Getting into the hospital at bryan-health has been challenging because of our high volumes. It's not uncommon for us to have patients waiting in the emergency department for a bed to get onto a medical unit or a surgical unit.
Going into the holidays, doctors say you should be extra cautious with your children's health when you gather with family. Both Bryan and CHI agree that preventative measures like washing hands and surfaces often, staying home when you feel sick, and even wearing a mask are helpful when preventing the spread of viruses.
Share your love and your joy and your toys and your good fortune with other people, but keep your germs to yourself.
Doctors are asking people to avoid going to the ER with mild symptoms. Instead, they say you should call your healthcare provider first to get their advice.
Some great information for all of us. Mackenzie, thank you for our top story tonight.